And that is the biggest heart. You got the biggest heart there, fella, haven't you? Rough dog, you got a big heart? Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh.
With a head like that, you do something big, I'll tell you. Okay, we'd like Rob Webster to come up as well. Rob Webster is from the Animal Emergency Service. You're going to come and join Dr. Chris Brown. Welcome, Rob. Okay, would you like to say a few words first? Or are you a shy man?
I'll be shy.
You'll be shy, that's okay. The Biggest Heart's a special award for people that go out of their way to help animals in our community, do volunteering and other similar activities. In 2004, this isn't on the script, my wife was diagnosed with cancer and she really struggled with it, and it was tough getting through it, and towards the end of her recovery we decided to start fostering kittens. And I think we're up to kitten number 152 now, and they've all got homes, and we only kept 2, so they're pretty good. It's been a lot of fun. The final 5 nominees for this category are the Animal Welfare League of Queensland, Golden Ark Rescue, Little Paws Kitten Rescue Association, Friends of the Hound, and the Australian Cavy Sanctuary. Envelope number 11.
Echo those thoughts and just say this is a really, really worthwhile area, so well done to all you guys for doing what you do.
Ooh, who is it?
Right, and the winner today is Friends of the Hound.
He approves.
Thank you. I'd like to say thank you to the Paws and all the sponsors for
Oh, he's jealous.
making it possible for us to showcase our efforts. As you're all probably aware, there's a huge number of greyhounds bred every year for the racing industry, and as a result of that there is a mass wastage, and unfortunately in Australia there's only a handful of greyhound adoption groups rescuing these beautiful dogs. So Friends of the Hound is only a small volunteer group, but as you can see we do have great support and we're really grateful for that. Thank you.
So piped up in the end. Oh, this is hilarious.
Isn't that a picture, eh? Okay, we're going to draw a couple more of the raffles now before we wrap up proceedings, but before we do that, can we give all the nominees and the award winners a really, really big hand, please?